market research, description of product and services, description of marketing efforts, financial projections, and conclusion. So why there is a need to invest in the Foodie Dietitian company? We all know rate of obesity in adults are growing, and according to CDC, in 2008, almost 1/3 of the US population for adults were considered obese, and projected medical cost was $147 billion. In 2015 and 2016, obesity affected more than 93 million US adults. Research shows that college students during their freshman year of college, they are at a 5 times the higher risk to gain weight compared to general population due to lack of exercise, poor eating habits, limited variety of foods, skipping breakfast, lack of cooking skills, and consumption of alcohol are the factors that leads to weight gain in this population. Foodie Dietitian will be one-stop shop for their target audience, where they can seek nutrition help with one-on-one consultation, menu and recipe analysis, simple vegetarian, vegan recipes for cook and non-cook options will be available for them to download. And Foodie Dietitian will also provide webinars for other medical providers. Executive summary. Foodie Dietitian is a new internet-based business that's designed to offer web-based services to cater the needs of college students. The company will provide virtual options to avail a variety of nutritional services in the comfort of their homes. The company will follow business-to-consumer model and provide services such as one-on-one nutrition consult, virtual cookbooks that will be easily accessible on the internet, and menu and recipe analysis. The target audience is college students. We all know the transition from high school to college is a very critical time. And this is when college students or these young adults are at a high risk. And weight gain leads to other medical or health complications like diabetes, heart diseases, depression, high cholesterol, etc. Product and services of a Foodie Dietitian will include one-on-one consultation, menu and recipe analysis, cookbooks, and webinars. Mission of the Foodie Dietitian is to reach a large college-age audience to help maximize their healthy eating habits with easy and cost-effective options to easy available unhealthy alternatives. Key employees of the company will be myself. I have 17 years of experience in the field of nutrition, serving in the several health facilities as clinical registered dietitian and certified diabetes educator. Currently, I work with the college-age students, helping them with the various nutritional needs such as diabetes, eating disorder, weight management, GI issues, or any other nutritional needs in the clinical setting. I also teach them the importance of healthy cooking by monthly cooking demos. Product and services, they include one-on-one consultation, recipes and menu analysis, webinars, and cookbooks. Quality for success, we all know and are aware that last few decades, both overweight and obesity in the United States have increased dramatically in college students. According to World Health organization, most adults do not consume the suggested daily amount for fruits and vegetables. So an intake of added sugar, processed meats, and trans fat has gone up. College students is a vital phase for these young adults, and foodie dietitian understands by enhancing the nutritional knowledge of these college students through healthy eating habits and healthy cooking can help prevent that weight gain. Foodie Dietitian's website will provide a link to YouTube where videos of healthy meals for various cooked or no-cook meal snacks options will be posted on weekly basis. Foodie Dietitian Company will strive to enhance and grow the college students' nutritional knowledge base by providing various services, and will encourage these young adults to adopt a healthy lifestyle that will continue throughout their life. Research market. Like I described, the target audience is college students. These are between the ages of 18 and 25. They are pre-med students, engineer, nurses, business majors who are working on their undergrad, graduate, and PhD degrees. This young adults between the ages of 18 and 25 is in the period of transition from adolescent to adulthood. And these target audience has a lot of challenges when it comes to healthy eating, such as busy schedule, misconception that healthy food is costly, eating out is a norm, availability of cooking resource, cooking is time consuming, class schedule, among others. College students represent a significant part of the market. Research shows that their diet lack vegetables, fruits, and is high in fat and sugar, and that can cause short-term effects including fatigue, stress, decreased ability to concentrate, and poor body image. In order to maximize their academic and social development, it's essential to establish and reinforce their healthy eating behavior. Market size. The US college student population is a significant, large, and diverse market of almost 20 million in 2018. 12.3 million of whom are under the age of 25, and remaining 7.6 million are older than the age of 25. And this population is expected to increase to 11 million. Research shows that college students consider nutrition and physical activity as top of their health needs. Close to 50% of college students report they have tried to lose weight by both diet and with the exercise. From economic standpoint, their annual purchasing power is $200 billion. So it's very important to recognize that college students provide a significantly rich market for business of all types. The Foodie Dietitian is in a unique position to provide evidence-based blogs, articles, easy to follow cooking demos, virtual nutrition services for college students in one place. Now, Foodie Dietitian also understands that there is a direct and indirect competitors in the market. However, Foodie Dietitian will provide not only individualized virtual nutrition consults, it will also provide cooking videos, evidence-based blogs, and short, easy to read evidence-based nutritional articles, thus opening a unique opportunity for foodie dietitian to create a niche market. There are some barriers to enter this market for foodie dietitians, such as, even though it is a well-planned online nutrition business, it understands that since it's a startup company, it has a limited business experience, limited knowledge and resources, increasing the likelihood of unknown future challenges. Foodie Dietitian's integrated nutrition services approach using the various social media platform provide a great opportunity for exploration and growth. Description of product and services. Their one-on-one consultation, menu analysis, cookbooks, and nutrition webinars for other medical providers. Description of marketing efforts. Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube will be used to market foodie dietitians services and products. We all know that college students are the biggest user of these top social media platforms. To get the feedback, Facebook will help with making personal connections with the college students or target audience. Instagram is also considered #1 photo sharing site, and YouTube has over 1 billion users worldwide, and 94% of the users are between the ages of 18 and 24, making it a perfect platform to advertise services and products of the foodie dietitian. Financial projections, there will be $1,000 startup cost. Content development, IMC plan implementation, social media platforms, rent, utilities, phone services, they all add up to close to $9,500 per month, and little more than $114,000 per year. As far as the revenue goes, as you can see from the table below, the biggest source of revenue will be nutrition consults and follow-up. Little over $2,000 per month will be made from webinars, and additional $1,000 will be made each from menu and recipe development and download of virtual cookbooks, creating revenue of close to $9,500, again providing a break-even point for the foodie dietitian. Take-home message is, we all know obesity has dangerous consequences, and foodie dietitian company is ready to intervene with its target population and provide them with the access to nutrition education that they need to be able to improve their overall quality of life through its product and services, which can help lower the personal and financial burden of not only its target audience, but also the healthcare cost, which is a great value to college students and a huge benefit to its investors. Thank you so much.